is there a camera in capsule room? Is this normal? Hello everyone! How are you doing? Today we are at Shinjuku Station. Today we are going to go to a capsule hotel, woman only, which is newly opened 2022 April. There is a special service offered, so I'd like to check with you guys. Let's go. So the capsule hotel is around here, I think. There are lots of buildings. Oh my god. Where's over here? Right here we are. This capsule hotel, everyone. Nice place, man. I like the green color. I thought it's like a very pink because it's like a woman only. Do you know why it is called 9 hours? Yeah, what does it mean? Please think about it. I will tell you the answer later. I have the QR code and you just need to beep. Beautiful place. I like the curved mirrors. And apparently this is rocker place. Wow. Very quiet. Sneaky mode. Ninja mode. So first of all, I think I should put my heavy suitcase to the locker. Yes, let's go. Oh, this is actually shower room. Nice space, I think. They have nice shampoo and body wash. Yeah, I saw the review of this hotel and this shampoo smells very good, I heard. So I didn't really bring my shampoo. I always use my favorite shampoo, but I just wanted to give it a try. Oh my god. Where is my rocker? Where can I put my stuff? Good. There is another rocker room, which is second floor. So let's go. Oh my god. I just noticed these white lines. Super cute. Toothbrushing, and these are shower rooms. Nice. Very neat. And my number is 713, so how about, yes, here is my place. Yay! I don't think I can reach to the... Can I? Almost. Ah! Yes, I did it! Oh, I don't know. This is for maybe Daki's bed. Look how beautifully fit in my coat. Look at this little hole. Perfectly straight fit in. Awesome. So let's go to the 7th floor. Very nice number, ne? 7th floor. So far, I really like this hotel because the smell is not smelly at all, of course, and the song is quite relaxing, chilly song I can hear. I found out there are no people around now, so I can introduce this floor for Lily. How awesome! I'm glad that I came here earlier. Ooh, it's like a beehives or spaceship. Awesome! What if someone's sleeping actually? I'm joking, but nobody is here. Nice. So my room is 712, I think. 713. So this is my bedroom. Wow, I think it's quite spacious. Maybe because of the curves, I think. Wow. Oh, nice. Something. I think the walls have a little good sound protection system. I can hear only my voice. I cannot hear like outside of sound. Yeah, very good system and very wide. I don't think I'm gonna hit my head like I did last time in Akihabara. Yeah, very nice. Wow, I love the color a lot. Nice, なんだろう、mild white. It's like a egg color. We are inside of the egg, everyone. I'm quite sure I can sleep very well tonight. I'm actually getting sleepy already. Yeah, so nice. Wait, is there a camera in capsule room? Is this normal? They even have this little guy microphone here. Actually, this is why I wanted to stay this hotel. This 9 hours hotel offers you a special service that they can analyze your sleeping behavior. For example, how many times you're turning around your body, how many times you're gonna snore. Yes, and then in a few days they're gonna email you the your sleeping analysis. Yes, so you know, I've never get analyzed my sleeping behavior. Who knows, you know, I might snore a lot, but we'll see how many times you wake up. Yeah, very excited. Someone came in, so I have to be very whisper everyone. So we have one outlet. This is light. And this is USB port. Yes, here we are. Or you only brought 2 luckies. 2 more. So cute. It's quite big. And look at the shape. It's like a, I don't know, banana or moon. So nice. I love it. I want it at home actually. And the softness is perfect. So good. Always exciting to check out something new. We have slippers, instruction, one towel, another face towel, quite nice, and yes, bus towel. We have. Are we going to practice ninja? Yes, toothbrush. So welcome to Yuka's ninja practice. Are you ready for the practice, everyone? Do I look okay in total black pajama? Look at this. Yes, so now someone left, so again I am alone. I can speak aloud. So nice. So you guys remember these t-shirts? I haven't really worn it for a while, and this one is from last year when we were exploring in Harajuku. I found a t-shirt shop, and then this is perfect for our channel. Pia pia pia. So this is my pajama today. Now we are going to go to the top floor of this capsule hotel, which is a lounge. I think I have to change my clothes. So let's see how lounge looks like. めっちゃ可愛い. Wow. It's like a, I don't know, princess room. Someone is here, so secretly sneaky. I love the interior so much. Of course they have Wi-Fi. I'm done with my work and I'm starving. Let's get some food. I'd like to explain what was the meaning of 9 hours hotel. So the hotel believes that there are three necessary actions needed for those who are very busy in urban area and for the overnight stay. So number one, washing off your sweat and your tiredness for 1 hour. And number two, of course, sleep for 7 hours. And third, getting ready for the new day. Yes, for 1 hour. So which is in total 9 hours. So with this simple concept, they provide with the value of overnight stay experience. Yeah, it's awesome, man. For dinner, I went to a newly opened ramen restaurant near the hotel. Yummy salty ramen and rice bowl with beautiful egg yolk. I don't really go to a ramen restaurant by myself since not so many girls are seen there alone, but this ramen restaurant is very clean and stylish. It was comfortable enough to enjoy by myself. The soup is golden crystal clear. Chicken, kelp, and salt make it very yummy. Simple and light, I couldn't really stop eating. Maybe I was so hungry as well. And this egg yolk onigiri was a special treat as well. So I took a shower and I cannot really show my face without makeup. I am quite sleepy, so I'm going to bed. Oyasumi. So I got a sleep measurement analysis from the hotel. They are very in detail, very interesting. To be quite honest with you, I couldn't sleep well. Yes, I woke up every hour and it was, I think, because, under irregular condition, like environment is so different. And also there were some people snoring loudly. So I know it was not my normal sleep condition, but let's see how many times I rolled over. 324 times. And how many times I woke up? 190 times. I even stopped breathing for 12 seconds. Am I okay? But my heart rate looked totally fine. So all in all, it was very unique and interesting experience to stay at 9 hours hotel and got my sleep analysis. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked my video, please hit like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you to subscribe for more upcoming fun contents. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye bye! Arigato!